Hello folks, YouTubers and everyone, how are you today? This is Alex, Coach Alex, 100. I hope you remember me. Anyway, welcome to my channel called, Alex channel. Okay, actually I talked to you all about water arrestors. To arrest somebody, to arrest water arrestor. I already talked to you about it. Okay, here we go. Water arrestor here. Water hammer arrestor. FHT stands for female hose thread and MHT stands for male hose thread. So I did this one. I went by to Lowe's. I changed around the washer, that both hot and cold. I changed it. There was no response, but right now I find it out. I say maybe tomorrow will work. Should be working right away, but after one day it's still there. It's coming bang bang. It's not that strong, but bang bang bang. Actually from the beginning it was that kind of sound. So I went again searching. I will find out for you guys. I will go over how I did it, but basically to tell you about it, it works like this. You have the outside water pressure gauge, which one water company comes and check it how much you have used and you pay it, and the other one is next to the house, the stop the water and then doesn't go in the house. So what I did, just went all the way outside and I closed it, but before closing it I tried open little, I closed it and then came in the house and opened everything. In other words, washing, shower place and the faucet and outside gardening stuff area. I opened everything. Especially I find out that, anything in my washing place and the place there was a little, kind of air came out. It means in between the water there was a little air which came out. So what I did after that, I went out, opened a little bit, and then I came in and I didn't open all the way. In other words, I opened like a half, okay? But it's still water is coming. So anyway, make a story short is that, if I did a pressure lower and then I came in, there's no bang bang sound at all. Just wanted to know. But I want to go over how I did it. I want to show you everything. And it worked. I'm so happy. It worked. No more bang bang sound, guys. Okay, this is just out of the door. My switch to stop the water, okay? I have some other stuff, but they are entirely different thing, okay? Like this, the blue color one, okay? All right? And then I show you something what I did next. I came here to open with this tool. I use this tool to open this one, Now it's open, and then I went all the way and I used this tool and I went all the way in here. This is the one, you have to turn all the way, this portion, yeah, here you have to bring it here. So in other words, if you can see it, I hope you can see it. It's very hard to see it. Anyway, so maybe from here. Anyway, so you have to turn all the way this side. This has to come here, if you can see it. So I did that one. After turning off the pressure outside, I turn on this one. It's now is off, but I did turn it on, so the water can go all the way there, here, somewhere there. Okay, outside. Then I came to kitchen here and then also turn on the water here too. Next I turn on this is sink. I turn on the water on this one here. Okay. I turn on another sink right here too. Also I went here to turn on this one too, all the way down. I did that one too. Okay. Also I turn on this another backyard. I turn on this one too. So after turning on everything, you can see it, I just open a little bit, it's supposed to go on, it's go off and then you turn off and it should go all the way up there. but you know, it worked. Okay, so after that I close everything, and okay, after that I came here, and then everything was open, so try to make sure that all I have to take out the gas in between, but now it's working very fine. Even if I turn on and I close it, it doesn't make any bing bing sound. So the basic thing is that you take out the air between your pipes. Okay, that is the main point. Thank you.